Welcome to GlowDesk by Grace. The Budget by Paycheck workbook gives every deposit a job. Instead of forcing a monthly budget onto real pay dates, it funds the bills due before your next check, adds your sinking fund targets, and shows what is truly free to spend. When you download the product, open the Quick Start Guide and keep one untouched backup of the workbook. Yellow cells with blue text are the places you edit. Green and white cells contain live formulas, so leave those alone. Begin on Setup. Choose a pay frequency label, enter your typical take-home amount, and add an optional household name. These defaults feed the rest of the workbook, but you can override the amount for any individual paycheck. Next, open bills. Replace the sample rows with your recurring expenses. For each bill, enter a name, category, amount, due day, and whether it is active. The workbook compares each due day with the pay date window, so only bills that land before the next check are pulled into this period. On sinking funds, list the goals you want to fund a little at a time: emergencies, car maintenance, travel, gifts, or annual deductibles. Enter the goal amount, current balance, per paycheck target, and active status. The remaining amount updates automatically. Now use the Paycheck Wizard. Enter this deposit, the pay date, and the next pay date in the yellow cells. In this example, the deposit is $2,400, and the 14-day window runs from March 13th through March 27th. The workbook assigns $793 to bills and $295 to sinking funds, leaving $1,312 for flexible spending. The priority is bills first, then sinking funds up to their targets, then free spend. Check that balance says yes, exact. That confirms every dollar has been assigned to the cent. Open Bill Calendar for a quick pressure check. The darker days carry more scheduled bills. This makes clusters like the 1st, 15th, or 25th easy to spot, so you can plan ahead instead of discovering a heavy week after it arrives. Finally, the dashboard rolls the current paycheck into one view. You can see total pay, bills allocated, sinking fund contributions, free spend, the balance status, and the allocation chart. Each payday, update the 3 wizard inputs and review this page. That is the Budget by Paycheck workflow. Set your defaults, assign bills and savings, enter each check, then follow the plan. It works in Excel and is designed with Google Sheets-safe formulas. Personal budgeting tool only, not financial tax or credit advice.